Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today is another video in the Dress It Up and Make It Real for Me series. We're making corned beef, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. We have some diced onion, some diced red pepper, and a little garlic. Now, in our frying pan, we're just going to heat up some oil here, and I'm just going to add to that my onion and that pepper. I'm not going to add the garlic yet because we don't want it to burn, of course. So we're going to go ahead and saute this, and to that mix of onions and peppers, we're going to add some crushed red pepper flakes there. And we're going to give this a chance to saute. If you feel like your onions and pepper are burning, you can add a little water, and it'll go ahead and evaporate once more. So don't worry about it. It'll cook out and won't make your dish watery. And once your onion and pepper are sauteed, you'll see I added the garlic in there now because I'm about to add my corned beef in, and it won't burn anymore because there's some moisture in the pan. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now and season up my onion and pepper mix. I don't want to add seasoning directly to the corned beef because it already has some salt there. So you'll see I added just a little Lawrys, some black pepper. Don't forget, we already have those crushed red pepper flakes in there. And I'm additionally going to add just a little Sazon here to my mix, just to give it a little color. And then I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up and let this saute for like, I don't know, 30 seconds to another minute. And then I am going to add my corned beef here to the mix, my corned beef hash, excuse me. So I add my corned beef hash to the mix. As you see, now you see why we need a little color. Like, that's not looking like it yet. That's not looking like the stuff. So I go ahead and add my corned beef hash to the mix. Go ahead and mix this all up. And we're just going to let that saute for like another few minutes. And that's it, guys. It's not really much to this. Dressed it up, make it real is definitely taking a very basic dish, pair it up with your favorite breakfast foods. Got some eggs and cheese, some bacon, and that's it, guys. Let me know how it worked out for you down in the comments. Thanks for stopping by.